Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming basics. Check your OS and Gboard versions so you know compatibility. Then, force-stop Gboard and clear its cache to remove corrupt temp data. This fixes many stalls. Once done, restart the phone to reload services. If you need an immediate input source, switch to another keyboard app while you work. These steps remove transient errors quickly, and they also show whether the problem is app-specific or systemic, so you know the right next fix. Now, go into Language and Input Settings and explicitly re-enable Gboard as the default keyboard. This resets input routing. Next, clear app data if cache clearing didn't help. Note that will remove custom dictionaries, so export important entries first. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Gboard to replace corrupted binaries. Make sure microphone and storage permissions are granted, because missing permissions can block voice typing or dictionary updates. These actions rebuild the app state and resolve deeper configuration faults. Finish by updating Google Play services or the App Store components and then update Gboard. Outdated frameworks often break keyboards. If the issue remains, boot in safe mode to check for third-party app interference. If Gboard works there, uninstall recent apps. As a final step, back up your data and consider a factory reset only if nothing else helps. If you still see failures, one key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the bug and note exact steps before reset so.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.